Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. It is Wednesday morning. It's July the 19th. Thanks for joining us here as we look at markets and today's expectations. Now, we do offer a full-service hedging program where we make recommendations to you, cash sales, also strategies using futures and options. They can include reownership strategies and straight hedging strategies. So if it's something that you are interested in or learning more about, contact me and I will get you set up so that you can take a look at our services and maybe sign up to receive them. We help thousands of producers and acres across the Midwest as far as their marketing strategies go. And I think this year is going to be a completely different marketing strategy than what we employed last year. And last year was very successful as far as achieving the top prices that we could for our clients. And I think, as I said, this year is going to be a completely different strategy compared to a year ago. In the grain markets overnight, we are putting a little bit more premium in. You know, last night we started off a little weaker and then started to improve in prices as the morning hours went on. Markets are putting in a little bit of weather premium in here into pricing structure, but we continue to trade modestly higher compared to where we were just even a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Even though the market sensing that the crop ratings continue to deteriorate and likely to see a further deterioration in Monday's condition ratings, we are just hovering above the levels that we saw at just a few days ago. So not a big move in any pricing structures in here. It's giving producers very limited opportunities. They're getting frustrated, I think, with the lack of opportunities available to the marketplace, especially in those areas where crops are really deteriorating. This week it's extremely hot, probably the hottest week of the year, and we've had limited rain showers, especially in that western corn belt. There was forecast for some across northern Iowa, and those are moving farther north into Minnesota, leaving number one corn and soybean producing state vulnerable to additional crop stress and dryness concerns. Livestock trade, I think we do find a little weakness here. There was a BSE case in Alabama last evening, 11-year-old case, or 11-year-old cow, I should say. You know, a few 12, 14 years ago, we'd be limit down for several days. Now I think the market just kind of shrugs it off as it did not get into the food supply chain, and we will be trading the Fed online auction and demand today. Cutouts were down again. I think this cattle market here rallied and without real fundamental justification last week and on Monday, and we're going to give back some of those gains here over the next several weeks. I think this market just got too rich given the supply outlook for the cattle market. All right, as we go through the day, check back at Twitter and our website for more information. We will be posting more audio comments there, and we'll be doing Minneapolis Grain Exchange marketing hotline comments this afternoon. So check that out. I was on there last night. I'll be on the Sirius satellite radio program today, channel 147. That'll air tonight, 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock. Hope you have a great day of trade. Good luck. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.